Matrix A is given. Find the second row of the row reduced echelon form of this matrix. So it means that you start with the matrix and row reduce it. So always start making new leading ones and then make everything else in that columns of leading 1, 0, and then move to the next one. So here I'll start moving from left to right to find my first leading one. I see there are two entries in the first column which are non-zero. I choose one of them to be my first leading one. Okay, so this guy 1 is in the right place. It is 1. So I choose that to be my leading one. Then you have to make everything else in that column 0. And to do that, you need to, well, apply the row echelon elementary row operations. What we do to make this guy 0, we multiply the negative of that, which is minus -3, times to the row which has the leading one, and then add it to the row with that entry to delete that part. So this will give us, so I'm not changing row 1. Row 2 will be 1, this is plus 3, yes. Plus 3, it is 3, added to -3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0, so 2 will stay like that. And then 1 times 3 is 3, added to 1, it will be 4. Nice. We are done with the first leading one. Now we have to start moving from left to right and stop when we hit to a non-zero entry. Here is the non-zero entry. There's only one, so that must be my, I have to turn that to my next leading one. Here, turning it to the next leading one, I have to use the operation that multiply the whole row 2 by the inverse of that entry. So I'm not changing row 1, so this will be 0, 1, 2. Is this row echelon form, row reduced echelon form? Okay, so let's check all the conditions. We have two leading ones. And these are the first non-zero entries of the non-zero rows. Everything else in those columns are 0. And what else? Yes, these satisfying the step-like pattern. So that means this is row echelon form. What are we interested in? We are interested in the second row of this row echelon form, which is 0, 1, and 2. And that is what we have here.
Will this be posted on OWL?